This video is designed to give you an overview of the ski pad and is not intended to be a substitute for actual training with the product. The video needs to be assessed in line with the manual handling and cross-infection policies in place within your organisation. Please bear in mind that although the video has been filmed within an NHS hospital, the equipment has been designed for use in various types of buildings where the available space is quite often very limited. Any manual handling techniques used within the video are merely suggested methods to move non-ambulant persons in an emergency. It is accepted that there may be other more appropriate alternatives on some occasions and within slightly different environments to those portrayed. As detailed on the label, the ski pad has been safe load tested to a maximum weight of 160 kilograms, although the maximum load to be pulled downstairs should be recommended by your manual handling advisors. It is advised that a minimum of 2 people handle the ski pad. As a general rule, the maximum weight being pulled should not be more than the combined weight of the handlers. Each user should have their own handling plan, and this should be considered before transferring any user using this equipment. When required in an emergency, release the velcro strap on the outside of the case and the ski pad will automatically slide out ready for use. The ski pad can be carried to the area where evacuation is required. If possible, open any doors in readiness for the escape. If time allows, always work with the bed at a comfortable height for the handlers. To prepare the user for evacuation, remove their pillows and the top covers and place to one side ready for later use. Wrap them in the bottom bed sheet. This will help to keep the user secure during the transfer onto the ski pad and adds a layer of warmth during the evacuation process. Roll them onto their side, ensuring they are fully supported. Carefully place the ski pad with the black and red buckle facing the user behind them. Gently roll back onto the ski pad and position centrally. Place the feet into the foot pocket and recover the user with their bedding. Place a spare pillow across the chest area. If enough are available, one can be placed under the head and another across the legs. Working in pairs, secure the cross straps and tighten to cocoon the user on the ski pad. The straps need to be tight but comfortable for the user. To prevent tripping, ensure the loose strap ends are tucked under the cross straps. The ski pad is available in a 3-strap version, enabling further methods of securing the user. If using this option, the pillow can be placed lengthways across the user's chest, just to the right where the buckles would sit. The top 2 cross straps are then fastened diagonally across the user's chest, creating an X shape. Various methods of taking the user off the bed can be used. Please consult your moving and handling department to ascertain the correct method of transfer for your own specific environment. If the type of bed and space allows, the bed can be repositioned and tilted towards the foot end. Remove the footplate and position the bed so that the foot end is facing the exit route. With one handler at each end, the user is then pulled off the foot end of the bed. Make sure to protect their head throughout this procedure, particularly as the head comes off the bed. Take the bed down to its lowest position. With a handler at each end of the ski pad, take hold of the pulling straps and move the user into a position where they are lying at approximately 90 degrees across the bed, ready to slide off. The person at the head end keeps the straps short and starts to move backwards, allowing the ski pad to touch the floor. The foot end operator allows the straps to move through their hands, controlling the descent of the ski pad onto the floor. Once the ski pad is on the floor, both operators should pull it from the same end. If doors are to be negotiated, the ski pad should be pulled from the head end to avoid doors closing on the user's head. However, it is vital that the user approaches the stairs feet first, so be careful to ensure that turning the ski pad around in a narrow corridor is not required to achieve this feet first position. With one person at each end of the ski pad, the user can be securely moved down the stairs. It is very important that the person at the foot end keeps the pulling strap short until the upper part of the body has come over the top step. This helps to prevent excessive bending of the user's hip and pelvic area. The operator at the head end should keep the pulling strap long and assist by slightly raising the strap as the body comes over the top step. When reaching the half landing, it is important to steer a wide course so you do not encounter problems with the central pillar of the staircase. If needed, the cross straps can be used to position the ski pad on the half landing. The foot end operator controls the speed of descent. Good communication is essential to ensure the head end operator does not overbalance in an attempt to keep pace with the person at the lower end. Once the user has exited the building and reached a point of safety, the cross straps can be loosened to ensure the user is comfortable. Where a mat has been used for training purposes, the base can be restored by the application of a spray polish and buffed with a duster cloth. The base can also be cleaned using antibacterial wipes.